from this weird error which does not let you log into the system, and the error message says your PC ran into problem and needs to restart. We are just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. Eventually this error message stands for a very short time. Let's see how it looks like. So when you start your system, this error pops up like for a second and then suddenly restart the system. Let me show you the last part in a slow motion. There you go. So after the error pops up, immediately system restarts and then starts this automatic repair. And after some time, it starts diagnosing your PC. And finally, when it finds out that there is nothing to do more, it comes up with this screen showing two of the options: to restart or the advanced option. So before going into the advanced option for resolving this issue, let me tell you why this situation comes. Option. Here you have three options: continue, troubleshoot, or turn off your PC. So believe me guys, if you could just click on continue, it will not do anything and it will end up again in restarting the system and getting the same error again. So click on the troubleshoot option. Here, four options are there. Refresh your PC. If you click on that, it will again not gonna help you. Reset your PC is not gonna help you. And diagnostic and recovery tool set is not gonna help you. So
you can click the system restore on the top left. What's gonna happen is gonna restart your computer and actually have just the basic functions of Windows working, and the system restore is going to work, and it won't have all that environment around it that can actually interfere with the process. So if it doesn't work in Windows, it might actually work here, where you can go back in time and actually use the system restore. Once you have started, you'll be in that blue screen environment once again with the system restore. What's going to ask you is to click on your username in Windows. It's also going to ask you for the password. Now, if you use a PIN or any other type of login information, remember that you'll have to enter the password of your Microsoft account. PINs don't work here. This is really the environment where they want you to enter the password. Click the continue button. If you enter the password correctly, you'll see the system restore starting. All you have to do is follow the instructions. Click next. Choose the restore point. Remember that the restore point needs to be before you had the problem, but as close as possible to the actual date. The farther back in time you go, the more things you might lose. Programs, settings, and all sorts of updates that you might have installed are going to be lost from the date you choose until now. One thing that system restore does not actually change is videos, music, documents, pictures, all of that will stay there, so you won't lose anything of that. But anything that has to do with the system itself, updates, programs, and all sorts of settings are going to be lost. So try to go before your problem, but not too far back in time. So all you have to do is choose your restore point, click the next button, and you'll actually go back, and hopefully the system restore point is going to work from here, even though it didn't work in Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know about Windows, please ask. If you have a problem, please just, put a little message here, say what problem you have. We'll try to help you if we can. There's a great gang here that helps everybody. So, together maybe we can help. And why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. We typically post many videos a day and tons of videos every week to try to help you in Windows. And give us thumbs up if you like the videos. It helps us in the ratings on YouTube. And hope to see you again on the channel.